Morning, guys. Wasn't it just a gloomy morning? Back to school. What's that called? Pathetic fallacy? It's gonna be an interesting day. Alright, so things are going actually pretty cool. We did this scavenger hunt, but it was kind of crap. But, you know, I got my student ID. I got my agenda. I got all that stuff. Now I'm just kind of wandering around looking for a barbecue. It's here somewhere. Really loud. Veggie burger. Not bad. Shut up. Alright, getting out of the hecticness and the rain. Just inside now. Stealing some internet. Well, not really stealing because I have paid for it with my tuition. And it's so fast here. Like, look at this. I just hit upload. And focus. See, 2 minutes remaining. Look how fast that's going. At home, it usually takes like an hour and a half. So that's pretty awesome. I was in a line to spin a wheel to get something for free, like a free pen or a notebook, but they had like USB sticks or like tickets to the school concert and stuff. And I was like 5 people back, and it was outside in the rain, and then they're like, okay, we're gonna pack up and move inside now. And I was like, I had been waiting there for like at least 20 minutes in the rain, and then they decided to pack up. They could have like told us, like, okay, stop the line here, we're gonna be packing up soon. Let's finish these people. No, they're just like, yeah, we're done. We'll be moving inside. So I tried to find where they moved to, and I couldn't. I have no clue where they are. So I'm gonna upload now, although it's done, even though I just hit upload. And then go look for them. Again, already today I've run into like 8 people that I know. It's pretty interesting. I've been here so long, like, you know, this being my 6th year at this school. It's crazy. And it's always interesting walking into like profs, because they're like, wait, you're still here? What are you taking now? It's just like, yeah, I know, I switch it up all the time. Yeah. But you know, I like it here. It's a good school. Like, I really wish I had done better in previous attempts, but, you know, you gotta figure that stuff out on your own, and that's what I'm doing. Alright, well, I'm home. And completely soaking wet. My phone is completely wet. My iPod is completely wet. You guys were almost completely wet, but I wrapped you guys up in a shirt that I got from school and put you in my backpack. My computer hopefully is fine. My phone is hopefully fine. My iPod is hopefully fine. It just sucks because where the buses normally go, they weren't going because, I don't know, of some construction. So you had to go like really far away to wait for the bus, and there's no shelters or anything. So of course you're standing out in the pouring rain, and the buses come like once every half hour. And then after getting off that bus, I was waiting for the next bus, which should have been there in 5 minutes, like after I got to that stop. That bus never came. So I was there for 25 minutes. Because apparently something happened to the bus. I don't know what exactly, but yeah, that bus just never showed up. And then once I get off that bus, I still have to walk like another 5-6 minutes to get to my house. It's pouring rain out, as you can see. Crappy, crappy, crappy. So that was unfortunate, but crap happens, I guess. Well, whatever. Now time to strip naked so that I don't get water throughout the entire house. You can't watch that part though.
So I got to Lydia's pretty much right after I got home. She came and picked me up. And then I pretty much just passed out in her bed.
I snuggled with you.
I was tired. You what?
I snuggled with you.
You snuggled?
For a little bit. And then I woke up and was like, ugh. And then I made us club sandwiches.
Which were delicious.
With no lettuce, but extra cheese.
Yeah, they weren't really club sandwiches. They were more like grilled cheese sandwiches with bacon and turkey. It's really good. Oh, and she grilled the sandwiches like in the pan that she had cooked the bacon in without like cleaning it.
So the bread tasted like bacon?
So the bread had like the bacon fat in it.
So wonderful.
Oh, the stuff you come up with. You are amazing.
Yes. Let's keep it at that. Ah, amazing.
You are. So now we're just relaxing.
Let's make you not relaxed. Super Mario Brothers,
Yeah, we could do that.
It may or may not be not this one. Austrian dead bird.
Run! Oh! Almost there.
You're welcome.
Teamwork is right.
Where am I now? Yeah! My side.
Ooh, pointless mushrooms.
Whoa! Hey! Hey, I didn't mean to do that. Let me up. I want to put out fires.
Ah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah! I did nothing. Oh, we saved her! What? Oh no!
Honestly, if I was Mario and Luigi, I'd just be like, whatever. Find a new princess. Bowser's Castle.
Let's go!
Well, it was an interesting first day, although it was just orientation and not actual classes. But I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain as much, but it probably will rain quite a bit. Here's to not getting stuck out of the rain again. Anyways, good night.